Folks, America's on fire, and I'm the one manning the fire hose, pumping the will of the American people back into Washington, D.C. When the settlers landed here on this continent, their tools was an axe, pitchfork, and a single bottom plow pulled by oxen, as had been done around the world for thousands of years. In just 250 years, we have harnessed electricity and nuclear power. We have conquered flight and have set foot on the moon. We now travel in comfort with heat and air conditioning. Our houses are safe and comfortable. Most any kind of food is readily available around the corner at the supermarket. We are living a much healthier life, more than twice as long as our great-grandparents, due to the advances in medicine. We are a people of property. Here in the United States of America, you could drive your stake in the ground and proudly proclaim, "I am an American." We are a nation of minorities and immigrants. All are welcome if you are willing to take part in the American dream. By 1900, being only 5% of the land mass of the world and only 6% of the population, 50% of all production in the world was done right here in the United States of America. That is not true today. We are currently a people struggling with drug and alcohol abuse, shootings, and all kinds of violence. Our prisons are overcrowded, and we are spending more on our prison system than on the education of our children. You see, a republic will not work unless the people are self-governing. I'll be back in a couple of days, and together we will continue to go through the plan for the future of our great nation.